welcome to another video. Today we've got another unboxing. So let's take a look at this. This is actually a Dyson in here. Quite a, I'd say, rare Dyson now. I've got it very cheap off eBay. It cost me like a tenner off eBay. So I couldn't not resist. It's very incomplete, sadly. It doesn't have no tools or hose or anything to it. And yeah, so I think I've sourced the hose for it. Another collector's got one, or knows someone has one. So you know, that should be alright as long as I get a hose. I do have a normal hose for this. It is a dc05 Motörhead. So let's just cut open this box. Let's get into it, however it's packaged. Just undo like that. There we go. Just extend that out a bit more. Cut that out there. Go. There we go. That all just cuts out of there like that. And what's we got here? Well, it's like a parcel. So let's take that inner box out, and that's a clue of what I've got in here. So cut all this away. But at least they've packed it with bubble wrap and stuff, so you know, that's alright. And yeah, here we go. So just pull it out, and here it is, and it is very dirty. So here we have a Dyson dc05 Motörhead. Here we are, and yeah, it's alright. I mean, yeah, I don't know if that's actually got a switch in there, and no, it doesn't. So you actually have to turn it on by hose. So I'm not sure how it works, and if it works, but I'm sure it does. So you know, this will go well with my dc02 cleaner that I've got literally sitting up there. And yeah, it needs cleaning. And it smells alright. But yeah, it just needs cleaning out and stuff, which isn't too drastic. And the filters are fairly clean, you know. That's pretty clean, that one. It's dirty, but it is a vacuum at the end of the day. It's a shame all this doesn't come apart because it's all dirty in there, and yeah, nice just to clean it out, but you know, the cyclone will come apart and everything. That will be all cleaned up, and hopefully I'll be able to get a hose for it. So it's a cable. It's a very flat cable, and yeah, that looks alright, and it does kind of work. These are sluggish. And it is common that these are very sluggish. But yeah, it's in pretty good condition. I mean, the wheels are pretty mint on it. It's just dirty. It's been sitting somewhere. But yeah, I quite like it. I've wanted a dc05 for ages, especially one of these. But yeah, it is pretty clean, if I say so. Yeah. Dyson limited miles free. Yes, this is a UK made machine as well. So yeah, there we go. So hopefully I'll be able to get all the hose and stuff for it. And I can't remember what way. I'm sure I don't know if the hose goes in a different way to the normal ones. I'm sure the normal ones go in here at this side. I'll have to check, but it might be the same. It might be not. It might not. I'm sure that the other ones do go in this side. Yeah, there we go. And while the filter not showing, it's just the plug. There we go. And also the handle's not snapped on these. These handles normally go. So there we go. There's that. So thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and of course, bye for now.